Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then we also have one more thing which is called as foveal avascular zone. This foveal avascular zone, it does not contain any capillaries. Avascular, so the name, hence the name, so it does not contain any capillaries. It is inside the foveola but outside the it is inside the fovea but outside the foveola. So if this is the macula, this is the fovea, this is the foveola. So this area here we have foveal avascular zone. So it is inside the fovea but outside the foveola. It is only determined by fluorescent angiography will only help us to determine or find out this foveal avascular zone. And this foveal avascular zone has a diameter of 0.8 millimeters.
thank you and thank you for watching.